Shape Your City is an innovative program where we actually get students to come up with ideas that are really focused on the problem of waste in our area.
Today's workshop is a good building block for them to take ownership of their learning and start to come up with some ideas that they can implement in their lives and in the community.
We want them to be able to work within a group, develop all those soft skills like communication, be able to negotiate, think critically, be creative. This type of project enables the students to do that. They don't even know they're doing it, and I think that's a really cool experience for them.
Things we learn in the classroom aren't isolated, they have a real world context. It's not all doom and gloom about the environment. There are lots of positive and proactive things that they can do to make a change.
We want them to be able to see a problem that exists around them and be a part of the solution, but not just any solution either. We are really trying to get them to be innovative, even outlandish to start off with, and then bring them back to something a little bit more manageable.
Something that surprised me was probably that it actually costs to
Yeah, I didn't even know it
landfill.
costed money.
Yeah.
How was it, like $2 million or something?
Yeah, it was.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
I had no idea that much food was being wasted before today.
I think it's a great program, how you have that incentive in the end where students get their reward, where they can take it and do something with it.
I think other schools should definitely get involved in this program. It's about solving real world problems.
I would encourage other schools and students to be involved in this project because it gives you a general idea about waste in your area of where you live.
And everyone we know who's been part of this project has really enjoyed it.
The winner is Trash for Transport!